again so much for your online inquiry on the 2019 Honda CR-V, the EXL package. This is the exact stock number that you inquired on online in that beautiful white pearl color. Is this pearl?
White platinum pearl.
Yes, it is. I thought so. Okay, so on this, you are going to have your remote start, you're going to have your sunroof, you're going to have your daytime running lights, and you're going to have your full Honda Sensing Suite. That's going to be your lane keeping assist, your road departure, your collision braking, and your adaptive cruise control. On the inside, you have very nice leather seats, and you do have that heated seat feature. You have all of those Honda Sensing features right there on the steering wheel next to your thumb. You have tons of space in the front, tons of space in the back, tons of cargo space. You have those motorized seat positions as well as your memory seating positions on the door, and tons of other features that I cannot wait to show you when you come in and see me in person. Call me to set up your VIP appointment. My number is 205-719-7191. Again, my name is